Hi, and welcome to the Wapice IoT Lab. In this six-part episode, we walk you through our offering, the company information, and how we became so successful in our industry areas. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Now, Wapice is a technology partner, an IoT and AI company from Finland that is under private ownership, has been growing organically and profitably ever since, and employs over 350 IoT and AI experts. In 2016, we won the National Entrepreneur of the Year award, and our products are IoT-TICKET, a solution where you can create massive-scale production-grade IoT applications really fast, really reducing the time to market and the return of investment significantly, and Summium, a product configurator that enables Industry 4.0 applications. Machines become cognitive, and then they can order their spare parts by themselves. All that is accompanied by tailored IoT services where companies can create custom solutions for themselves. In 2019, we won the Global Application Innovation Award from Microsoft at Inspire in Las Vegas in the domain of IoT, AI, and analytics. Now, IoT-TICKET is applicable on many industry verticals. So we're talking about energy, manufacturing, smart spaces, smart cities, and healthcare. And all of these areas, they have real stories attached to it. So in the energy domain, we talk about energy trading, smart meters, where we do the data interpretation on real massive scale, demand response, demand elasticity scenarios, waste solutions, production analysis, energy storage systems, electrical vehicles, virtual power plants. And then on the manufacturing side, a lot is about massive scale condition monitoring, as you could have seen in the Scheffler case. But we also work with predictive preventive maintenance, asset optimization, remote monitoring and control, fleet management, performance-based services, AI-enabled spaces, and generally as an innovation platform. In the smart spaces, smart building domain, we have over 100,000 buildings connected. A lot of them are AI-enabled spaces. Health and safety is a real critical issue for those buildings and building owners. So, and energy optimization, building optimization in general, people flow solutions, smart parking, and even VIP services are delivered with IoT-TICKET. In the smart city domain, it's a lot about AI solutions, AI-enabled spaces. How can you detect problems early on? How can you make sure that roads are in perfect condition? And it's also about workforce optimization, traffic optimization, asset management, and then generally as a citizen development platform to deliver new solutions to create happy customers in their domains. And last but not least, it's healthcare, where we are very active in home care, hospital operations, condition monitoring in general, activity monitoring, AI health and safety monitoring, or even parking space optimizations for hospitals. So how do they do it? How do they create these solutions for those areas? So we have IoT-TICKET. IoT-TICKET is a solution where you can really create these massive scale production grade IoT applications. And we think about IoT as a general domain, the productivity, the automation, condition monitoring, to create really smart product services, digitize, innovate, and really that on a massive scale, very easily to roll out across the entire organization. Now, a lot is about connectivity. So how do you get started? Typically, you connect your things. So on the IoT-TICKET side, we support our users with many different ways to communicate. So we have own edge devices to connect machines or vehicles. We also have a gateway edge device for OPC UA to connect factories, just 5 clicks as you can see here, and you have a factory or substation connected. Now, there's also the possibility to connect actually like various assets. We have an API with different development kits, MATLAB Simulink plugin, and eventually you can connect an unlimited amount of enterprises, sites, assets, users. So then how do you actually utilize or build these applications? Now all you need is a web browser. You just log in, and then you can browse your available applications. So once you access your application, you can immediately drill down into problems. You can analyze them. You can see all the details that you have. You can really build your digital twins for your assets. And as you can see, we have a lot of modern visualization possibilities from input elements, dialogues, buttons, 3D elements, maps, and all of that is actually used to not just to work with your own data, but also you are able to connect to third-party systems. You can create AI-enabled applications for tracking assets in the physical space, and yeah, monitor really the entire solution, even like create very innovative solutions like, for example, car sharing applications or community services. So, and all of that is very, very easy. So if you have the rights, you can actually just go into edit mode and create a new application. And there it's basically drag and drop. So you can access your data points, your UI elements, you just drag them out, you build it just graphically in a very, very easy way. And all of the applications that you have seen previously, you can see they have been built actually with IoT-TICKET. You can also create mobile applications, and you can create the logic. So what happens when you click a button? Does a dialog open? Or you have the detection algorithm that you say, okay, well, the temperature of my asset increased 5% during 10 minutes. Then you should generate an alarm, an event. So all of this is possible here in a very easy way. No programming or low-code solution where people can really very fast, very quickly create the application and then do the mass deployment to roll it out across the whole organization. So additionally, you can also do the alarms and events management. So here you can keep track of your workforce and tell them, okay, where are the priorities, and actually track the actions that have happened. Additionally, one of the key features is really the enterprise management part. As I mentioned, you can connect as many assets as you want, and you can really say who has access to which asset on what level, so who is allowed to read or write. But then you can also white label the whole solution, so it comes in red, it comes in green, it comes in blue. And last but not least, you can create very powerful reports. So everything that you have seen so far is big data analytics enabled. So we make big data really easy to use, and obviously you want to create web-based applications, mobile applications, but also reports. So if a CEO wants to have a condition report or an asset utilization report in his mailbox, he can do that, or you can offer new types of services to the customers. Here, just drag and drop again, you just need a web browser, and then you can subscribe when you want to have it, or you trigger it based on a certain condition. So really easy way to create production-grade applications fast. And last but not least, you can actually even create that with one finger. So this is a super easy solution to develop IoT applications and then roll them out for the users to be utilized and consumed. Now, to summarize, it's a really fast time to market. It's a very quick return on investment, sometimes even immediate return on investment. It's really enabling digital transformation. It's an innovation tool suite for organizations. It has a great business model. It's a subscription service which offers you really value for money. And it's a low-code solution enabling everybody in your organization to actually be a developer, to have the creativity and build applications that really matter in a very quick and easy way. Everything is AI and analytics enabled, big data enabled, as I mentioned previously. You can build digital twins. We extremely well integrate into the Microsoft ecosystem, and we have a really vast device manufacturer ecosystem. So this was a very quick introduction. Please also check out our other episodes, which are much more industry specific, which also feature industry cases and industry solutions and AI applications that are really brand new, straight from our R&D lab. So please enjoy those. And last but not least, there's actually the possibility to get in touch with our experts. So feel free to book one-on-one meetings with them to discuss your case in further detail.